Hey, this is Emily from Inflatable Kayaks, and this is the ultralight paddle leash. So a paddle leash is something that connects your paddle either to yourself or to your kayak or stand-up paddleboard. It's something that you don't really think about until you need it, right? Until something happens, you've capsized and your paddle's drifting away. And that's when it's really nice to have it tethered. So it's a great safety feature. A lot of the paddle leashes on the market and that we have investigated and been testing, they have like coils that are sort of heavy so that you need it to stretch, right? So it has coils that's heavy and it has velcro that's a little heavy. And so we were really thrilled to find this incredibly lightweight version. A couple of features I love about it. One is that the clip is plastic, so even if you're paddling in salt water, you don't need to worry about anything getting salted up or corroded or rusting or anything like that. And the other thing is that it's extremely flexible in how it attaches. So if you have a 4-part paddle like what we sell, you can just loop it through the middle like this, right? And then it's on. However, some of you will have, just put that back on, 1-part paddles and you think, well, that's great. How do I get it on? The nice thing is it's got this really easy slide here. So I can just open this right up, slip it off or on over the blade of the paddle. I cannot emphasize enough how incredibly light it is. So when it's on, I'll slip it back on, and you've got it clipped onto, like I said, either yourself or your kayak, pull that through. It really feels like you're not using anything at all. Like it's so light, you don't know it's there, which is what you want, right? It's something, like I said, that you don't want to have to think about, you don't want to have to be aware of it until you need it. And as an additional safety feature, it comes with a whistle. So yeah, I'm loving this product. It's great, it's lightweight, it's comfortable, it's super easy to use, and it fits all paddles, all kayak paddles. If you have any questions about the ultralight paddle leash, please get in touch. This is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks.